Hi family, in today's tutorial I am going to teach you how to style your mini twist or your micro locks using a drawstring ponytail. The first step is to pack your hair up in an updo, either at the middle of your head or at the front, depending on where you want to place your ponytail. So the next step is to twist your hair in 3 large sections. Then braid the large twists together in order to create a bun seamlessly. So when you're done braiding, this is where you'll be left with one strand of hair. So you're just going to insert that hair inside your hair, then use a rubber band or a scrunchie to hold it down in place. So if you don't want to use an extension, this is one way to style your hair in a bun. And this is the hair the extension will be using, our drawstring ponytail. Okay, I'm excited. I've never done this before and I thought, why not just play around with your hair and see what the outcome is going to be like. So the drawstring ponytail has 2 combs in it. What you want to do is place 1 comb at the back of your head this way. Just insert it there. You don't need bobby pins for this. It's going to sit right on top of your head. Then take the other comb and place it in front of your hair, because that's where the comb is. So just place it at the front of your head and you're good to go. So what you want to do now is draw the string to make it tight, so your ponytail extension is just going to sit right there. It's not going to fall off. So take the remaining rope around your hair and just hook it into your hair, into the bun you've created. Remember how I said you're not going to use any bobby pins for this, so I'm just going to use the extension. Now you want to pick one part of the extensions and wrap it around your hair directly. Just wrap it to the bun you created. You're going to do this twice. And hello, if you're seeing me for the very first time, I'm Glory Abel and I am here to help you learn how to make your hair yourself, as well as take care of your natural hair without breaking your bank account. My tutorials are perfectly made for beginners, and if you're looking to learn how to care for your hair and how to style your natural hair, then be sure to keep tuning in for more videos like this one. Make sure to subscribe to join the family, okay? I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial and you learned something new. You learned a way to style your hair, to style your mini twist or your micro locks. Click the next video to learn how to make mini twist and how to make drawstring ponytail yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.